We'll guide you through Gamma AI how to edit text. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy way to create and edit professional presentations using Gamma. Many users need step-by-step guidance to understand Gamma's AI tools, customize designs, improve text, and export slides to Microsoft PowerPoint. This tutorial helps beginners save time while making polished presentations quickly and efficiently. To begin the process, open your web browser by clicking the Windows Start button on your computer, then selecting Google Chrome or any browser you normally use. Once the browser is open, click on the search bar, type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝗲𝘀, and press Enter on your keyboard to load the website. After the page finishes loading, locate and click the Start for Free button displayed on the screen. Next, choose the Continue with Google option, then select your email account to log in instantly. After successfully entering the dashboard, move your cursor to the Create New button and click it to begin a new project. A menu will appear, and from this menu, click Generate to proceed. In the top menu, select the Document option to define the format of your project. Then click on the text input box and type your topic, for example, Gamma AI how to edit text, to guide the content creation. After that, select the number of cards based on how many pages or sections you want in your presentation. Continue by choosing your preferred language from the available options. Once everything is set, press Enter on your keyboard or click Generate Outline to continue, and wait a moment while Gamma creates the outline for your document. When the outline appears, you can customize the design by scrolling down until you find the Theme section, clicking View More, selecting a theme you like, and then clicking Select Theme to apply it. In the Image Choice section, click on one of the available styles to determine the visual appearance. Then click Generate, and wait again while Gamma produces the full content. If you want to edit any text, simply click and drag over the text, then choose Edit with AI from the toolbar that appears. Type your desired instruction, such as make it more engaging, and the AI will automatically update the text. After that, click Modify in the panel on the right side to apply the changes. When you are finished, click the Share button at the top right, choose Export, and finally select Export to PowerPoint to save your work.